This video will show you a quick close-up of the basic steps that we just did. Triple step basic, triple step turning basic, and a throw out step, which is turning along while you're traveling forward and backward on a line. We'll do it once on the left and once on the right for each step. Triple step, rock, step. Turning basic. Triple step, rock, step. Triple step, rock, step. Triple step, rock, step. And then finally, the throw out step. Triple step, turn to the left, triple step, back rock, step. Triple step, rock, step. And now for the right side. Right side basic, triple step, rock, step. Now turning basic, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. And the throw out. Going with the right foot first, turning toward the right. Triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Options for triple step are step, tap, rock, step, tap, rock, step. Step, tap, rock, step. Also, a little bit of a harder version would be doing a little flick kick before you rock step. Triple step, and rock, step. And rock, step. It's a very quick triple step, rock, step, triple step, and rock, step. Don't recommend it, but it's an option.